benefit to our customers to having a local packaging supply partner is there's a couple key benefits. One is that we provide them just-in-time delivery. We can stock their products right here in our warehouse locally, deliver to them as they need them. They're not sitting on excess inventory in their facility. In front of all that, though, comes the consulting piece. We go in and work with them to really understand what their application is, identify what that material is, bring it into our warehouse and supply it to them as they need it.
The material specifically can be roll stock for vacuum packaging, roll stock for vertical form fill seal. There's pre-made bags on a roll that run on a specific piece of machinery. There's void fill for protective packaging, and there's fulfillment that is required, as we all know today with Amazon.
Oftentimes we are competing against a manufacturer direct, and as a distributor, we have options. We've got relationships with multiple material manufacturers, so we're going to go in open-minded and make sure we're providing the best solution in our expert recommendation, but also give the customer options.
My philosophy has always been, let's go after a niche market that adds value, that's very specific, that our salespeople, our service engineers are expert at.
So we have the industrial side of our business and we have our food processing side of our business. And we do consider ourselves expert or focused or have a particular niche within each one of those segments. On the industrial side, it typically is always going to involve a piece of equipment, and we're looking to sell the equipment and the related supply in more of a system sell. On the food packaging side of our business, we really focus on direct food contact flexible materials. So we're talking about the product that is in direct contact with the food product itself. There's a lot of technical elements about that side of the business, barrier properties, shelf life, all of these elements that frankly we need to be expert in, so we're speccing in the right product for the right application.
That level of education and knowledge takes a lot of time, and we work very hard with our suppliers in keeping up on the latest technology that prevents consumers from getting sick if a piece of material was spec'd in wrong.
I think a real differentiation for Summit versus our competitors as it relates to materials comes in how we approach the customer from the start. We really do take a consultative approach and look to walk in and understand what the application is before we start throwing out options. If they're looking bigger picture, we can also come in and provide a full systems approach, and that's really a key differentiator for Summit Packaging in that we provide the automation, the materials, and the service to provide a more holistic approach to their packaging needs.